Okay, today we have replacing the seat with the stock seat cover because I think it looks better. Okay, first step is going to be taking a 10mm screw gun here on the socket. Remove the two rear seat bolts. And remove the seat. Lift up, pull back. Front part slides in this little notch right here. Pretty easy. Also, while I'm in here, I might as well put in my new uni air filter. It's always good to have one clean and on standby in a bag, lubed up and ready to go in case you encounter any mud or serious dirt. Change that out on your lunch break or in between motos. Keep your bike running clean and preserve the motor life as long as possible. Always have a good clean air filter, good clean oil, and a good spark plug. And of course you want to have your carburetor adjusted good and be running some premium gas. I'll keep this thing running good for a long time. Next step, going to be removing staples. I like to get a good flathead screwdriver, some pliers, and then some leather gloves, because sometimes you end up stabbing yourself in the hand when you're trying to get this stuff out. You know, you can slip. I've done that before, so get some good gloves, good work surface, good garbage can to throw the staples in so you don't get them stuck in your tires. Okay, so we got all the staples pulled out. Peel this bad boy off. After you get the seat cover off, you might find that you've got some little stragglers in here. I like to get them all out because I don't want to be getting stabbed in the butt. No rusty ass staples. Alright, so that's about what it's going to look like when I have the new cover on there. I like it.